Picton wasn't toppled. Instead, his fate was decided in a short council meeting last night. And he was quickly put in his box this morning. Enough for some people to mark the occasion. You walk in here, I saw you smile straight away when you saw that box. You're up there, you're taking selfies. What does it mean to you as a black man in Wales that man is now covered up?
As a black person, to me, really what it means is that people are starting to wake up. People are starting to be more critical. Mostly white people, starting to be more critical about their own history, their own involvement. Because for me, the history that I know is, like you've said, different from the majority of white people in this country. So when I see people, members of the public, actually starting to say, let's do something about people like this, for me that is encouraging.